Philippine Techball team is training hard in Pangasinan as they prepare for the sport's first appearance as a medal event in the 2025 Southeast Asian Games. Mobile journalist Denise Valdez Sancho has the report.
Techball is gearing up for a historic debut as a medal sport in the 2025 Southeast Asian Games. And for the Philippine team, preparation started long before the competition. The national Techball athletes have been deep in training in Pangasinan with a camp that began as early as October. Fresh off the Asian Youth Games, the team wasted no time.
So right after po Ma'am Denise ng Asian Youth Games, napunta na po kami sa Bani, Pangasinan para po training. So we started sa pinaka-basic po sa ball control, pati na rin po sa strength and conditioning.
From fundamentals and conditioning, the athletes are now sharpening their skills on the table as the competition draws nearer. But for many, one question remains. What exactly is Techball?
Parang napakasimpleng explanation po niya is maglalaro ka lang ng football sa isang ping-pong table.
Training days start as early as 5:30 a.m., a routine that has become standard for the 7 Filipino athletes bound for Thailand this year. They range from teenagers as young as 13 to players in their mid-20s, all preparing for individual, doubles, and mixed events. This will be the first time Techball is included as a full medal sport in the SEA Games after being featured only as a demonstration event in its last edition. With a few weeks of preparation still ahead, the team hopes the country will continue to cheer them on.
Maraming salamat po at sana patuloy ninyong suportahan ang Philippine Techball Federation.
Kapatid Denise Valdez Sancho, we are One News.